In this video, we're going to showcase how to use Miro's MCP server to go from PRD, so a product requirement document, to a prototype. And we're going to be able to use our board context here. So basically to read this board, this PRD document, and this diagram as well. So basically, this is kind of what we want our app to do and the main flows that we want our app to take. So we're going to be able to read this, and then based on this, we're going to be able to generate an app using VS Code and GitHub Copilot. So let's go ahead and show you that now. Use this add context, and we're going to go ahead, X tools, and then list items. Listed the items and contents that we want to use as context for the app from our Miro board, and we can see that we have the product requirement document, and now we can just tell the agent to go ahead and build us the app based on this. So now we can see it starting to work. So it's created the package.json, public index.html. It's starting the app.js as well. So we can have some invoices here. It's creating some login screens as well, which are part of the PRD. So we can see that also part of the diagram as well. Now we can go ahead and start the app with npm install and then npm start. So now we're installing the dependencies. Now we can just go ahead and start the app with npm start. So we have our QuickApprove login. So here we have the app. So basically we can log in here. And so here we go. So we can have our app. We can check the invoice. We can see the vendor name, the amount. We can approve it. And then we can, of course, quickly reject this as well. And maybe say, should be closer to 2000. And then we can log out as well. And then, yeah, that's a quick short demo of how to use board context within Miro to create an app quickly and speed up your development process with VS Code and GitHub Copilot. Thanks so much.